Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money in as little time as possible. You could make potentially $200 in less than 30 minutes. So keep watching this video and we're going to tell you exactly what you need to do. I'm John and this is Jordan. We're
How's it
thinking
going?
outside the box.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm John and Jordan.
Yep,
Um,
that's me, Jordan.
I'm originally from the Philippines and moved to New Jersey. Actually, been all over the country. And Jordan is from.
I'm from Chicago, but I have moved I was in Germany for a long time, visiting old buddies now, but I'm living in Croatia most of the time.
Yeah, awesome. And then we actually met in Chicago. Well,
Yep.
I moved there with my family, and then we started working over there in Chicago. And then I moved back to New York, and then Jordan reached out to me, and he was like, "Hey, you want to start a business?" And
Okay.
3 years later,
Why
you're
not?
here. Like we
All right.
started with something, and then
Yeah.
pivoted to something else. Now we pivoted to a different thing, and we're doing this really fun thing because we really we listen to our audience and they really need help in making money in very very creative ways, and this video is one of those ways that you could make money very very creatively. Uh, we're going to be talking about user interviews or user studies, and you can make a lot of money doing it.
And you don't need
Because
any
we
skills, right? You don't
Yeah,
need
exactly.
like any kind of knowledge about any kind of technical things. You just have to present yourself honestly. You fill out a profile, basically like demographically, like who you are, where you're from, what products you use, whatever. And then if you fit that, they'll contact you automatically. They send you an
Exactly, yeah.
email, and what's not to love? They pay you 100, 200 bucks maybe for
Exactly, yeah.
30 minutes to an hour of your time. Like they'll just ask you about like, oh, hey, how did you like this and that? What do you think of this thing? And you just tell them, and then you get a lot of money for it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go into the walkthrough of the of user interviews. It's userinterviews.com for those of us listening to this on audio. We're gonna put all the links at the bottom, and hope you enjoyed this. Here we go.
And make money.
Money from it. So let me
Yeah,
share my screen
let's
right
see it.
now. Let
Oh,
me
and
just
we've
find that.
personally we've already used this site, so we're speaking from
Yeah, exactly.
experience.
So Jordan, let me know if you see my
Yeah, I see it.
screen.
It's right there.
All right. So basically, you go to userinterviews.com, like I said, and then you just click on earn money participating.
Okay, now
So
do you have to
basically,
have experience? Do you have to like have, skills for this?
it depends on the interview or the survey or whatever. It depends on the job, really. I'm just gonna call it job. That depends on the job. Some of them, they might ask if you have experience with a software company or or this or that, like a UX.
Yeah, you
So
are
it
using a
depends on
product or
you,
something.
you yeah, product, like if you've ever used Slack or something like that. So it depends on different factors. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you actually uh, some of the emails that you get, so you get alerts. So it's really cool. So basically, when you go to the site first time, you haven't signed up yet, you go to click on earn money participating. Is the right button, the right blue button. So you click on that, and you just fill out your information: first name, last name, email, phone number. So it's like basic information about you. There's also demographic information because they also pair you with the specific survey, level of education, marital status, all that stuff. So that's easy. Once you've done that, I forgot if you get a confirmation, but if you do, just confirm that, and then you'll start receiving emails.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop the share here, and I'm gonna go switch to a different screen. So let me share this next screen.
So you're basically just taking surveys or doing
Exactly, or
yeah,
interviews. You could
interviews.
actually do, like, there's also one-on-one interviews, for example.
Yeah, those
So
probably
now,
pay a little more, I would imagine.
yeah, there's like, yeah, like those
Here we
I
go.
think are the ones that pay like $200 or something.
Yeah. Now, I just want to say real quick that there's a lot of survey and user
Oh yeah,
interview
yeah, yeah.
sites out there, but this one, the reason we're featuring this one out of all of them, because we found this has more higher paid surveys than anything else out there
Yeah, and
overall.
I think it's also very well organized. The emails are not spammy. You know, like sometimes you get like I've actually had like user interviews where they just spam you left and right, left and right. Like these are, you know, like when you get the emails, they're very relevant to you,
Mhm.
and it's easy. It tells you everything that you need to know. So I'm just gonna go through the site really quick. If you're on audio, just go to our website or to you the YouTube channel so that you could see the actual videos. But I think you should be able to follow this a little bit more. I'll try to be as descriptive as I can. But once you log into your dashboard, you could browse activities or studies. So you could, if you don't go to this specific page, just click on browse studies, right? And then once you're there, you could even filter out the types of studies that you want to participate in. So for example, you could go just online, or if you like, if you're a phone person, you could just go over the phone. You could just check over the phone. Or if you're, adventurous in the time of COVID, you could actually even do in person. Like me personally, I'll probably do online or over the phone. That I'll be more comfortable with that.
Yeah.
And then there's
Plus, you're getting more
different,
global
yeah,
reach when you're
exactly.
doing
Yeah,
that.
like if it's somebody from Europe, you could even participate on that online, right? And then you have study types, focus groups, one-on-one, multi-day, and there's also different filters that you could, like that you could apply, right? And then once you get that, like you get a list of all the studies. So an example of this is this: why translate marketing user research study. So if we click on that, it gives us the description. It tells us it's a one-on-one interview. It's done online. You get a $40 Amazon gift card, and it only lasts 30 minutes. So that's a pretty great,
That's not bad.
yeah, like most people, like if you're minimum wage, you make like $7 here in the U.S., sometimes $15 depending on where you work. But this is 30 minutes of your time, and you get $40. It's Amazon gift card, but Amazon gift cards are basically cash.
Right.
And then it gives
Right.
you a description of what the research is, and also if there's any device requirement, then it's gonna tell you as well what you have, so what you need to use. So here it requires that you use a computer with a webcam. So this is basically a face-to-face study. And then I'm gonna go. So that's basically the format of each of these user studies. So I'm gonna go into my email. Do you see my email,
I do.
Jordan?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So the emails I filtered this by user interview. So you get all these emails. I usually get, I think, about two emails a day. And the great thing about the email is that it tells you right away how much you're gonna make money, like how much
Yeah.
money you're gonna make and what type it is. So here, the first one says want to earn $125. Were you gonna say something, Jordan?
Yeah, I just wanted to bring up real quick. It's just
Sure.
so you know, it's not like an automatic, like, oh yeah, I want $125 with this Amazon gift card. Boom, you click on it and you're already in it. Like you're already taking the interview. You still have to apply.
Yeah.
As
Yes.
long as you
Yes.
fit the profile, there's a very good chance you'll get picked. But it's not for sure. You still have to just kind of go through that. Just
Yeah, that's a
heads up.
good point. Yeah, like it's not automatic. It's almost like auditioning if you're an actor auditioning for a part. Because there's like this is a worldwide site, so there's a lot of people that are applying for it. So once you get the email, you gotta be really quick, and then if you really want it, fit your profile. You gotta get on that really quick.
Yeah.
So here, this Jordan, because this is actually we signed up here for our company. So this is under Jordan's name, but I get the emails as well. So here it says, "Hi Jordan, I thought you might be a fit for the October 2020 Artemis Intelligence User Research Study. Here's some quick details. The setup is $125 in Amazon gift card. It's gonna be in US dollars. but it says you can redeem this in Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, euro,
Right.
and
So wherever
British
you're at,
pound.
yeah.
Yeah, this is an hour of your time. The format is one-on-one interview. It's all conducted online. So really simple. It doesn't waste your time. You click on the email. Probably takes you like 10 seconds to decipher what you need to know about this study, right? And then if you're
Yep.
interested, you just click on that. Interested, start screening, and then it's gonna take you to the page, the study page. You apply to participate,
It's like
and
a quick
then it's just,
questionnaire that they'll ask
yeah,
you.
quick questionnaire. Ask for your phone number sometimes, but it's really quick. You know, if it fits your profile, you basically you do the study and you get paid. So it's really quick and easy.
Right. I
So
mean,
that's
and you can
user
do it.
interview. Yeah, go ahead, Jordan.
Oh yeah, I was just gonna say, if your schedule is not very flexible, I mean, you can kind of do this stuff anytime, anywhere. And if they say that you do qualify, then they're going to give you some different times, dates to choose from, depending on the survey, right? So it is
Yeah,
flexible like that too. So,
yeah, yeah, exactly.